All right, folks, so she's used her talent to change her life as a single mother. Owner of Turn Up the Sweet, Noja Elliot, is here to tell us how she did it. Good morning. Welcome to Smile. So good to have you with us this morning. Your cakes look lovely.
Thank
Here, eggs and bacon and all sorts of good stuff. But this is a gift that has made room for you when others did not.
Absolutely.
2 years ago, you were in a very different place.
Very
Tell me what was going on, Noja.
I was at one of the lowest points in my life. I was owing months of rent. I was struggling, couldn't find food to eat. And basically, that is, how the business was born, just out of struggle. And I prayed and I cried. And
were you working at the time? Had you lost your job at the time?
No,
Was it that the job you were in wasn't paying enough?
I just had my daughter, so I was just sort of home, and that was the situation. And I prayed about it, and a voice just said to me, remember your talent. And I was like, oh yes, I can bake and decorate. So I was like, okay, that's what I'm going to do.
So how did you start? You started to spread the word.
Right, I started to spread the word until eventually I got my first order, which was a 6-month cake for a baby's photo shoot. And they were pleased with it. I put the pictures up and the orders just came in right behind that.
And so now you say, you don't have hand to process your orders. So you've gone from...
absolutely nothing.
To...
something.
to more than.
Absolutely.
To more than.
Absolutely.
What's it been like being in business for the last 2 years?
I mean, it has been great. It has its fair share of challenges, but overall it has been awesome. I'm so grateful.
How did you learn to bake?
I grew up seeing my mother do it, and it really, caught my interest. So from there I started to bake, decorate, and, put it on the back burner for some time, and then here I am again.
And the decorating?
Yeah, that was from my mother as well as, I picked up, a few tips here and there and just perfected it.
So this is all self-taught?
Self-taught.
This is all God's gift?
Absolutely.
Did you do any YouTube checking? Did you go and get any certification? Nothing
No
like that?
certification.
Wait, can we go back to that picture? Well, all of them are lovely. You did that?
Yes, I did.
Freehand?
Yes, I did. Everything is handmade with fondant. Definitely.
That's incredible. That's incredible. So it's been good. Consistency-wise, how has that been?
It has been consistent. It has been consistent. Sometimes there's a little bit of low moments, but overall, I can't complain.
And so now do you storefront, or do you kind of bake at home?
Yeah, I'm currently working from home, but my goal and my dream is to have a location, so that's what I'm going towards.
What do you find now to be your favorite cake to bake, and what do you find to be your best seller?
My favorite cake to bake is anything like kids' character type of cakes, like the Sesame Street cake. Yes, I do very well with those, so those are my favorite.
And that's your favorite, but is that your best seller as well?
I think so.
Yeah.
I would say so.
And no, so how do you get the word out now? Is it social media?
Social media, I'm on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, mainly.
What's the most challenging part of starting your business been?
The most challenging part has been when there are slow moments. When there are slow moments. But, overall, I really can't complain. I'm really happy with how it has been thus far.
So now you're able to pay your bills, support yourself,
Yes, I
support
can.
your family.
Absolutely. I may not be all the way there, but I'm definitely not where I used to be.
Well, it's a process, lady.
Absolutely.
You kind of start somewhere and build from there. As far as expansion is concerned, what do you see yourself doing in the next couple of years? Where do you want to be? You said storefront.
Right, I definitely would like a location. I also do awesome donuts, so it's something that I'm hoping to get, out there on the market and, do it on a wide scale and just be great.
You want to be like a big baker, full stop.
Absolutely.
So donuts you add to the repertoire. What else do you bake, miss?
I also do cocktail patties. So I do those along with the cakes for some parties.
Oh, you're not joke. So you're looking to have a full outfit where you offer a wider range of products. How do you perfect those skills, though? Are you as good as those as you are at this? The cocktail patties and
Yeah, well, it's just baking. It's so natural for me, you know, and I just practice it, and it always turns out awesome. So, you know, once I see that it's awesome, I know that I can put it out there for consumers, and it's always a hit. So,
They say when you love what you do, you never work a day in your life.
so true.
Has that been your experience?
Definitely.
Really?
Definitely. I enjoy it so much. It's a joy for me.
And it doesn't
to
become a
decorate.
chore when you have to do it for work?
Not really.
Yeah.
I really enjoy it.
It's a great blessing
Genuinely.
for you to be here then, Noja.
Absolutely.
Yeah. If folks are interested in getting your products, where can they do that?
Okay, they can send me a message on my Instagram page. The name of my page is Turn Up the Sweet. And they can also WhatsApp me at 554-3964.
You have a lot of folks who are watching now who may be in the position you were in 2 years ago. They're at home, they're struggling, bills are mounting. What is your advice to them? Because sometimes we sleep on our gifts, you know, because they come so naturally to us, we don't realize they have value.
So true.
Yeah. So what's your word to those
Definitely.
folks?
Definitely don't give up. Keep praying. It can change. If I can make it, you can most definitely make it. So just keep pushing.
Turn Up the Sweet is the name of the page where you can find Noja. If you want a kid's cake or cake for any occasion, you saw the repertoire before. We showed you some of her pictures. Then you know where you can find her. Noja, good job.
Thank you.
Good job. And kudos to you for hanging in there, because we know sometimes when it gets tough, the easiest way seems to be to give up.
Absolutely.
But you pushed and stuck it out.
Definitely.
And here you are today, right? Your testimony.
Definitely.
This is your testimony. Owner of Turn Up the Sweet, here with us this morning, Noja Elliot. After the break, it's something to sing about. Noja, I have something to sing about this morning, right? A lot of give thanks and praise to give. We're right back with an Earth Day version of something to sing about after this. Go.